If you want to set up Powerbeats Pro 2nd generation with Beats application on Android device, then you have to first start by going into Google Play Store and you have to download Beats application. When it's finished, you will have to just open this up and then you have to accept all of these permissions that will pop on your screen. In this case, we have to scroll all the way down, click Next. Now go to Permissions, select Location and select Allow all the time. Then just go back to the application. Now click to get started. And as you can see, we have to actually, we actually can skip those notifications. And I'm gonna don't send the diagnostic data. Click Next, Allow. And right now, we have to search for Powerbeats Pro 2nd generation. But if you cannot find them here, you can just click and hold this button and wait until indicator turns on, the pairing indicator. And now just select Powerbeats Pro. So we are selecting our connection for audio. And now we have to go into Bluetooth settings, click to pair new device. From available devices list, select Powerbeats Pro 2nd generation, accept pairing, and right now you will have to just go into Beats application one more time. You can close this one and simply select Powerbeats again, click audio. If it is not working properly, then you can just go back, close the application and open it one more time. So sometimes this is the common issue, but as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So that's how it actually looks. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.